Hello, and good afternoon, everybody. Beautiful sunny day. Hey, I was on eBay the other day, and I couldn't resist it. Yep, it happened. I had to get me a Liberty Bell. I got the mount up, put the bolts in. I pre-drilled them, used lag bolts about yay long. And I'm about to hang that bell up, and I have to get me a piece of rope. And then we can ring the Bell of Liberty. It says Independence, 1776. There on the frame. And that's a pretty nice bell. Pretty nice. And I'm gonna stick it up there, and I got all the hard work done as far as getting her up there. So I'm a little out of breath, but hey, gotta do something to stay in shape, right? So I'm gonna walk over here and put this up. So hopefully I don't fall off the ladder and kill myself. If I do, send me some flowers, would you? All right. I take on things a wee bit heavy. Just a wee bit. Good Lord, can I reach that high? I don't know. Am I putting it or not? Oh, I'm not happy. Oh, if I fall, I'll be extra sad. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Bell of Liberty, Independence, 1776. Whew, couldn't pass it up. I've been looking at bells. I really wanted a ship's bell. One where you got on the ship, you know, ding, ding, ding. Kind of like the one you find at Arby's. That one. That's what I wanted. Yes, an Arby's bell. Well, I didn't get that. I got that thing instead. And it seemed to me like it was going to be a little bigger. But it's no big deal. Oh, yeah, hey, let me show you where it says Independence 1776. It's right there. If you had some white paint, you could paint that over and you could read it easily because it's all black. And I got that baby off of eBay. Oh, yes. If you shop around, you can get it, you know, fairly cheap. Won't cost you an arm and a leg anyway. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Got that up. I gotta go find me a piece of nice rope to tie on there so I can ring that baby. And I'll probably ring it I'll probably ring it around New Year's for sure. So, yep. Well, hey, that's all I was up to and doing, so I thought I'd shoot a quick video, throw it out there, and then if I get into something else, which I probably will, because I'm always trying to get into something. Yeah, always trying to get something. Well, we got, you know, the wheel painted. I won't take no credit for that. The girls did that. They did all the paint. That looks pretty good. Not too shabby, it's not too shabby. All right, so I'm gonna sign off and catch y'all later. And that's my new Liberty Bell. All I gotta do is get a rope and a thing on it. I'll be good to go. Yep. Too much fun, eh? Yes, sir. All right, we'll talk at you later then, and hope you're having a great day. Yeah, just beautiful. Ain't no clouds though, you know. All I see is buzzards flying around. But yeah, yesterday was pretty cloudy. All right, let's talk at y'all later. Bye.